it's Jennifer Elizabeth with Perry Pico's Vlogs. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today's video is for the open collab hashtag Sticker Saturday, and it is hosted by Crafting Rose. And in this collab, we upload on Saturdays and we share with you something that we have created with our stickers. You can even share sticker hauls, anything that is sticker related. So without further ado, let's get into it. You're looking at some of the stickers that I sorted through this week and that were in my stash that I decided to use in my spring themed junk journal / scrapbook. So let me show you the page that I created. It's right here. I wanted to go with something really pretty and fun, very colorful, and that just basically screamed spring. I'm so ready for spring. Let's start with this page right here. What I did was I took a Dollar Tree gift bag. They sell these. They're like the little loot bags. You can get them in the party section. And I basically just cut up the top. So I made it so that it would fit my page. And I glued it. That way I have a little pocket. And I had a couple little random stickers here that I decorated the top of my page with. And then I went and I used butterfly stickers, dragonfly stickers, and bees. This is kind of like a pollinator spread is what I was going for. So you can see that page right there. And then I continued the pollinator theme over here. This is just some crafting paper that I had. I got this paper pack from Temu. Really pretty. And then this was some paper that I actually got from Dollar Tree in those 100-piece paper packs. I just think it all went together so nicely. On the inside of the book right here, I put some washi tape just to reinforce it and cover in the little bit of white. These stickers are so pretty though. These ones I got at Michael's, this and this. And every other sticker you're looking at is from Dollar Tree. So that's what I created this week. Even these are from Dollar Tree. So that's what I created this week for Sticker Saturday. Again, I was going for spring. I was going for a very obvious spring and a pollinator theme to it. And then you can see the packages. Some of them are still sealed. So this package right here is what I used from Dollar Tree. And then I used some from this package. This is another similar package. So I kind of combined a few from those. And then I used some from here. These two little cute bee ones, this one and this one, are from Michael's. And I got them out of, they have like a 99-cent or $1 sticker bin. These guys were actually merchandised up at the front of the store at the register, but sometimes they have them in those, that area along the cash wrap, at least in my store, the outside of the cash wrap where you have tons and tons of stickers and like bargain buys, I guess you could call them. So that's where I found them. And thank you everyone so much for watching. I hope that you guys like what I created for Sticker Saturday. Please go ahead and put in that hashtag Sticker Saturday. Watch everyone's videos, show them some love, and then go to Crafting Rose's channel, watch her video, and show her some love as well. And please don't forget to comment down below, like this video, hit that subscribe button and the post notification bell so you know next time I upload and every time I upload. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you all in the next one.